This video covers the button layout of the Lenovo Mirage VR S3 headset and controller, explains each button's function, and shows you how to adjust the headset strap for a comfortable fit on your head. Using the headset in a proper environment is very important. Always make sure you have at least 3 feet of empty space around you before using the Lenovo Mirage VR S3 headset. Additionally, do not walk around while wearing the headset. Direct sunlight will damage the Lenovo Mirage VR S3 lenses and screen. Do not use the headset outside or leave the device sitting in direct sunlight. The controller itself is used like a laser pointer inside the virtual interface to point at elements you want to interact with. Lifting the controller up near your face will display labels for the buttons beside the virtual controller inside the interface. This is useful for finding where a button is located without having to remove the headset. Press the home button to turn on the controller and pair it with the headset. Holding the home button down at any time will recenter the virtual interface to your current viewpoint. The large button on the controller is used to activate buttons inside the virtual interface, just like a mouse click. The surface of this button is also a touchpad that can be used for other actions such as scrolling through lists. The back button is used to step backward to previous screens, similar to the back button on a smartphone or tablet. Sound volume can be adjusted by using the volume control buttons on the right side of the controller. Some apps will use the trigger button on the back of the controller for interactions instead of the large touchpad button. The right side of the headset has a home button and back button, which function the same as the buttons on the controller. However, the confirm button on the headset is not also a touchpad, unlike the button on the controller. The headset buttons can be used to navigate the virtual interface if the controller is not connected. The bottom of the headset has several useful buttons and features. The power button is on the bottom right side of the headset. The status indicator light next to the power button is blue when the headset is powered on. The light will turn red when the headset battery is low. To charge the headset, connect the included charging cable to the USB-C port on the bottom of the headset. Then connect the other end of the cable to a power outlet using a USB power adapter. The USB-C port can also be used to connect directly with a computer to transfer files to and from the headset. The bottom center of the headset has a microSD slot for expanding the available storage space. The slot supports microSD cards up to 256 GB. The bottom left side of the headset has a volume control button and an audio port for connecting headphones to the device. The bottom of the headset also includes a speaker on the left and right and a microphone in the center. Pull apart the closure tabs on either side of the headset. Place the headset on your face and pull the rear pad behind your head. Adjust the straps evenly for a tight, comfortable fit and secure the ends in place. For more information, watch our other videos about Lenovo VR Classroom 2 or visit support.lenovo.com/VRClassroom.